Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I know I have been missing out from a very long time. So like it's been ages since I've shot a video और मुझे upload किए हुए I think 2 हफ्ते हो गए हैं because I have lots of things going on my plate. Maybe that's why I'm not able to give my proper time to YouTube. Even right now my in-laws are here and I'm squeezing out the time just to make this videos. Alright, so today I'm gonna unbox my this box. It's Zotezo box. I'm gonna try for the first time. तो मैं पहली बार try कर रही हूँ. So I'm just gonna open and see what contents I have. This is basically April's box. मुझे बहुत पहले receive हो गया था, but I wasn't able to film this video. But before April ends, I really want to do the unboxing video of this box. And I got this box from subscriber.com. मैंने पहले भी इस साइट के बारे में आपको बताया है मेरी पिछली 2 unboxing videos में. So if you don't know about subscriber.com, then let me just explain you. It's a one site where you can get lots of subscription boxes and you can choose according to what you want. आपको एक ही platform पे बहुत से subscription boxes मिल जाएंगे. So just go and check it out. I will leave the link of the site in the description box. So yeah, go and check it out. So let's just open this box and see what content I have in this box. So when I open the box, I can see this really nice jute pouch. और इसके ऊपर लिखा है Zotezo bag. So this is basically Zo bag. I'm gonna try this time, and this says thank you for your order. There's a lovely note here. So I'm just gonna open this pouch. I really like the pouch. It's jute, it's bright, so let's just open it. Alright, so I can see the contents now inside. So first I'm gonna take out the alright, I don't see any info cards or info page here. So I'm just gonna take out the products one by one. So पहले हम देखते हैं. Alright, so this is a sheet mask. It says it's made in Korea, and it's charcoal premium facial sheet mask. It controls oil, it deep cleanses, it is a pore control. Definitely, I already love charcoal mask, like peel off mask, and this is like a sheet mask. So sheet mask bhi mujhe bahut pasand hai, so I'm just gonna try it. It's black sheet mask as I can see on the package, so I'm super duper excited about it. Moreover, oil control hai, which is must for summers because you know, I am combination skin and summers में oil बहुत ज़्यादा produce होता है. I don't know why. Though as I'm aging, my skin is going towards dry, but still in summers I feel lots of oil on my face. So definitely I'm gonna try this out. And it retails for 149, जो कि इसके ऊपर लिखा है. And this is by the brand called Mirabelle. Super duper excited about it. I'm just gonna try it for sure. Alright, moving on to next product. I see a face wash, and this is also a charcoal face wash. This is by the brand called Nick. I think it's Nick. And this is activated face wash charcoal. It is 100 ml of product, that is 3.38 O's, and this one retails for 153 rupees. And yeah, so definitely gonna try this one as well because obviously charcoal cleanses your skin like anything. So definitely gonna try this out. Moving on to another product, and this is a face scrub, and this is Choco Caffeine face scrub with argan oil. I love products with argan oil. I don't know why, but recently I've started loving products with argan oil. This is basically for dry skin, but and I'm combination skin, but as I told you कि जैसे I'm growing old, my skin is going towards dryness, so definitely I think I can use this scrub as well. This is by the brand Caffeine. This one retails for 399 Indian rupees. Alright, moving on to more product. Alright, I see a soap, and this is activated charcoal, a premium soap. I see lots of things related to charcoal in this box. I don't know, maybe it's the theme or something like that, I don't know, but this is a charcoal soap. Definitely gonna try it, and this one retails for rupees 90. I think ये black color का soap होगा. Yes, as I was assuming, this is a black colored soap, so which is a good thing for body because we use lots of charcoal things on our face to clean our skin, face skin basically, but we always neglect our body. So this is a nice thing that you have a charcoal soap. So definitely gonna try this as well. Alright, so the next thing I can see, alright, I see something snacky. So this is a snack I have here. This is Right Bite Nutrition Bar. and it's in flavor Mary Berry. I think it's a low-fat bar, basically energy bar, low-fat energy bar, and this one retails for 39 Indian rupees. Yeah, I think I can just keep into my purse. Alright, then I see something in bubble wrap, so I'm just gonna cut it off and see कि क्या है actual में ये. I think it's a nail paint, जो मुझे लग रहा है. Alright, so this is a nail paint. This is again like it is having like a charcoal grayish color, and this is by the brand L21 Star, and the shade I have is 088, and it's camphor free. I don't know it's the shade name, or it is actually camphor free. So I really like this shade. It's very like kind of like a rocker chic color. So that's the color, and I really can't tell you the price of the nail paint because I don't have info card and it's not written on the nail paint as well. So चलते हैं next product पे. Alright, this is a huge bottle and it's a heavy one. Alright, so this is by the brand called Saint Devens. This is Multani Lotion with a natural rose water. It is basically ready to use face pack. Wow, it is 100% pure Multani mitti. This is a very good thing for a lazy person like me because मेरे पास मुल्तानी मिट्टी पड़ी है, but I never apply on my skin because I always feel very lazy कि कौन rose water या उसमें कुछ mix करेगा and then लगाएगा. So this is a really nice for a lazy person because you just have to pour it out in a bowl and just apply on your face. So this is really nice. Definitely be using this because मुझे powder वाली मुल्तानी मिट्टी use करने में बहुत आलस आता है. And this one retails for 499 Indian rupees. And the amount of product I'm having is 275 ml. Alright, so that was it for the Zobag content, all the products. So in total I got 7 products and most of them are skincare. 3 of them are charcoal related and 1 is snack and 1 is again it's like Multani mitti. Okay, so this Zobag retails for 499 for 1 month, and this product here alone costs 499. So all of the products are extra, like they cost extra amount, so that's really nice. I'm super happy with this bag. इसका price भी बहुत reasonable है, and I'm also loving the contents of this bag as well. So if you want to try this bag out, I hope they're still shipping out April's edition. So I will be leaving all the info in the description box. Go and check it out, subscribe it for yourself. I'm completely satisfied with this bag. I'm gonna use almost everything in this bag. There's nothing is waste. So yeah, totally satisfied with this bag, and yeah, that's it for the video. I hope आपको ये video अच्छी लगी हो, and I am gonna try to be more regular on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna try for sure. And one more thing guys, I have a very exciting news coming up. You have to be stay tuned in coming couple of videos. I really don't know मैं कब वो news आपके साथ share करूँगी. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, that's it for the video, and please subscribe, help me grow. And if you're new to my channel, watching me for the very first time, then please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.